Buckle in front. Once you're off the aircraft, to inflate your vest, pull down on the red tab. To inflate manually, blow into the tube at the side of the shoulder. The vest is also equipped with a light, and that light automatically lights up in the water. Additional vests are available. Please refer to the safety information card for the fitting of the vest for an infant or a small child. Flight attendants, they are going down the aisle to make sure those seatbelts are securely fastened and bring your seatbacks and tray tables to their original upright position. All of the carry-on items, please place those items back underneath the seat in front of you. And of course, this is a no-smoking flight. Welcome.
taxi to like 5 minutes all the way to the gate. It's like, dude, it's 6 a.m. It's too early for this.
Yeah, it took us like 20 minutes to get to the gate.
Yeah, this is the worst runway to land on going south. Because now you're all the way to the other end of the airport.
I remember doing it in flights. Remember when I accidentally crossed over?
Yeah.
Welcome to Denver. Please remain in your seats with the seatbelt fastened until we come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt. It's been our pleasure
Such an iconic
to have one of you on
hotel
board
with
this evening.
the tents behind it.
Thank you so much for choosing Southwest as your means of travel. Go out and have a wonderful evening. If you're driving, drive carefully.
Certified mountain.
And most important, come back and see us again very, very soon. We'd like to remind you to please
There's the staircase going up to the train station.
please take all your possessions off. We always find something when we start to clean up the cabin. So this would be an excellent time to take personal inventory of everything you brought on. Make sure you leave with it. We do have passengers continuing on with us to Kansas City. If you are going to Kansas City with us, we ask please that you remain seated. We do have to get a head count of those folks.
I can't tell if that's a coyote.
You are going to Kansas City. Just
I know
remain
it's at
seated
A321.
until you are counted. That head count is very important. So please remain seated until you are counted. Once we have our head count, you're more than welcome to change seats, go to the lavatory, stand up and stretch. Thank you. Go out once again. Have a wonderful evening. We'll look forward to seeing you down there very soon on Southwest.
That's cool. And the Lufthansa,